morning students. Now today we will see exercise 4.10, page number 70. So what is given in this exercise? Estimate each difference to the nearest 10. डिफरेंस ये वर्ड आया तो हमारी आंखों के सामने सब्ट्रैक्शन आना ही चाहिए. ओके, सो व्हाट इज गिवन इन दिस क्वेश्चन? एस्टिमेट ईच डिफरेंस टू द नियरेस्ट 10. जैसे हमने एडिशन चैप्टर में किया था ना एस्टिमेशन, वैसे ही सेम टू सेम यहाँ पर भी सब्ट्रैक्शन में भी हमें एस्टिमेशन करना है. सो वी विल सी वन बाय वन ऑल द एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट ए एग्जांपल इज 65 minus 43. So 65 number is very much closer to which number? 60 or 70? It is closer to 70. So we write there 70. Then 43. 43 number is closer to 40 or 50? That is closer to 40. So you write down here 40. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 4, 3. So what is our answer? 30. Now see B question. 78 minus 34. So 78 is very much closer to 70 or 80? That is very much closer to 80. So we can write here 80 minus 34 is very much closer to 30 or 40? That is closer to 30. So we can write here 30. So 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 3, 5. What is our answer? 50. Now see C question. 91 minus 35. So 91 is very much closer to 90. So you write down here 90 minus 35 is very much closer to how much? 40. So you write down here 40. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. So what is our answer? 50. Okay. Now see D question. 715 minus 241. So nearest 10 we have to take in consideration these two digits. Okay, ones and tens. So 715, that is very much closer to 720. So we can write here 720. And 241, that is very much closer to 240. So you can write here 240. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 4. It is possible? No. So take 1 from this 7 and write down here 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So what is our answer? 480. Now see E question. 834 minus 219. So 834 is closer to 830. So you write down here 830. And 219 is very much closer to 220. 90 के बाद 20 आएगा, है ना? 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 2, 6. So what is our answer? 610. Now see F question. 913 minus 349. So 913, that is very much closer to 910. Minus 349 is very much closer to 350. So now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 5, it is possible? No. So take 1 from this 9 and write down here 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. So what is the answer? 560. Okay. So in this way you write down this exercise also in your notebook. Now see G question. 8473 minus 2418. So we have to think about these two digits. Okay. So 8473 is very much closer to 8470. And 2418. This 18 is very much closer to 20. So 2420. Okay, now see, do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. So what is our answer? 6050. Now see H question. 4833 minus 2291. So we have to think about only these two digits, ones and tens. So 4833 is very much closer to 4830, and 2291, that is very much closer to 2290. So do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. This 3 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 8 and write down here 13. 13 minus 9, 4. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. So 4 minus 2, 2. So what is our answer? 2540. Okay. So now I question C. 5352 minus 2968. So we have to consider only these two numbers. So 5352 is very much closer to 5350 minus 2968. So 2968 is very much closer to 2970. So 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus. Now see I question. 5352 minus 2968. We have to consider only these two numbers, ones and tens. So 5352 is very much closer to 5350, and 2968 is very much closer to 2970. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus 7. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 3 and write down here 15. 15 minus 7. How much? 8. 3 minus 1. How much? 2. 2 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So take 1 from this 5 and write down here 12. 12 minus 9. 3. 5 minus 1. 4. 4 minus 2. 2. So what is our answer? 2380. So complete all these questions in your notebook. Now see second question. Estimate each difference to the nearest 100. हमें यहाँ पे अभी estimation करना है, nearest 100 तक करना है. So we will see one by one. First example, 814 minus 236. So 814, that we have to write down as 800, because we have to estimate nearest 100, and 236 is very much closer to 200. So you write down here 200. 800 minus 200. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 2, 6. What is our answer? 600. Now see B question. 739 minus 245. So 739, that is very much closer to 700, and 245, that is very much closer to 200. So 700 minus 200. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 2, 5. So what is our answer? 500. Now C question. 824 minus 445. Okay, so 824, that is very much closer to 800. So we can write here 800, and 445 is closer to 400. So we can write down here 400. So 800 minus 400. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 4, 4. So what is the answer? 400. Okay. Now see D question. 2695 minus 1385. Now see here 4 digits are given. 1000 number is given. So we have to think about the 100 numbers. So these 3 digits we have to think about that. So 2695, that is closer to 2700, and 1385, that is closer to 1400. Okay, so subtract this. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 4, 3, 2 minus 1, 1. So what is our answer? 1300. Okay, now see E question. 4156, that is very much closer to 4200, and 2782, that is closer to 2800. Okay, now subtract this. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8, it is possible? No. So take 1 from this 4 and write down here 12. 12 minus 8, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So what is our answer? 1400. Now see F question. 5324, that is closer to 5300, minus 1668, that is closer to 1700. Okay, so what is our answer? 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 7. It is possible? No. So take 1 from this part and write down here 13. 13 minus 7, how much? 6. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So what is our answer? 3600. So complete this question in your notebook. Now see G question. 3562 minus 1852. So we have to think about these 3 numbers. 3562. 562, that we have to write down as 3600. And 1852, that we have to write as 1900. That is closer to 900. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 9. Here 6 minus 9 is possible? No. So take 1 from this 3 and write down here 16. 16 minus 9, 7. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is our answer? 1700. Now see H question. 4863 minus 2463. So 4900. 4863 is closer to 4900. Then 2463 is closer to 2500. Okay, so do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0. 9 minus 5, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. So what is our answer? 2400. Okay. Now I question is what? 8142 minus 2945. So 8142, that we can write down as 8200. And 2945, that we can write down as 3000. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 2, 8 minus 3, 5. So what is our answer? 5200. So complete these examples in your notebook. Now see third question. Estimate each difference to the nearest thousand. So first example is 4136 minus 2985. So we have to estimate to the nearest thousand. So 4136, that is nearest to 4000. So write down here 4000. Each number you have to write down in each separate box like this. That's why I am writing here in these boxes. Now see 2985. That is closer to 3000. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 3, 1. What is our answer? 1000. Now see big question. 5384 minus 3984. 5384 is closer to 5000. And 3984 is closer to 4000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. What is our answer? 1000. So C question is what? 4824 minus 1925. 4824 is closer to 5000. So write here 5000. And 1925 is closer to 2000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 2, 3. So what is our answer? 3. Now see D question. 4153 minus 1873. So this D question 4153 is closer to 4000 and 1873 is closer to 2000. So 4000 minus 2000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 2, 2. So what is our answer? 2000. Now see equation. 3150 minus 1784. 3150 is closer to 3000. And 1784 is closer to 2000. So do subtraction here. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 2, 1. So what is our answer? 1000. Then 4685 minus 2983. So 4685 is closer to nearest to 5000. So write here 5000. And 2983 is closer to 3000. So write down here 3000. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 3, 2. So what is our answer? 2000. So in this way, complete this question in your notebook. Now see fourth question. The mathematics book of class 4 contains 192 pages and the science book contains 168 pages. फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड की मैथ्स की बुक में 192 पेजेस है और साइंस की बुक में 168 पेजेस है. एस्टिमेट द डिफरेंस. डिफरेंस मीन्स क्या करना है यहाँ पर? सब्ट्रैक्शन इन द नंबर ऑफ पेजेस ऑफ द टू बुक्स टू द नियरेस्ट 10. So 192 and 162 we have to find out the difference. So estimation करना है हमें nearest 10. So 192 that is very much closer to 190. So write down here 190 and 168 is very much closer to 170. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 7, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. 20. Okay, so estimation, we will write. So estimation is 20. We can write down in your notebook. Okay, so this complete exercise 4.10 you have to complete in your notebook. So complete this question number 4. Now see fifth question. There are 2655 workers in a factory. एक फैक्ट्री है जिसमें 2655 वर्कर्स काम करते हैं. आउट ऑफ दिस 1789 आर फीमेल. उसमें से 1789 जो है वो लेडीज है, फीमेल वहाँ पे काम करती है. व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ मेल्स वर्किंग इन द फैक्ट्री. तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है कि मेल्स कितने काम करते हैं वो फैक्ट्री में, एंड एस्टिमेट द नंबर ऑफ मेल्स टू द नियरेस्ट 100. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to first find out the estimation nearest 100. So 2655, that is closer to 2700. So write down 2700, and 1789, that is closer to 1800. We have to find out the difference here. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 8, it is possible? No. So take 1 from these two and write down here 70. 70 minus 8, how much? 9. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our answer? 900. Okay, so we can write, so number of males is 900. Okay, so this complete exercise 4.10 you have to write down in your notebook. Thank you.